Here's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, smartphone wireless charging, power tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at MB-Lynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,